Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope fit and fine at your home. Dear student, welcome to English class. Today our topic dictation sound of you. Dear student, firstly we will write here day, which day is today. Today is Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Next we will write here date, which date is today. Today date is 9 December 2020. Dear student, today I will teach you about dictation sound of you. Dear student, I speak you bug. You will write bug. Next, I speak you dug. You will write dug. Next, I speak you jug. You will write jug. Next, I speak you mug. You will write mug. Next, I speak you cut. You will write cut. Next, I speak you hut. You will write hut. Next, I speak you nut. You will write nut. Next, I speak you bull. You will write bull. Next, I speak you dull. You will write dull. Next, I speak you full. You will write full. Next, I speak you pull. You will write pull. Next, I speak you bum. You will write bum. I speak you cup. You will write cup. I speak you but. You will write but. I speak you sun. You will write sun. I speak you sun. You will write sun. I speak you pump. You will write pump. I speak you lump. You will write lump. I speak you dumb. You will write dumb. I speak you duck. You will write duck. I speak you gut. You will write gut. I speak you next. I speak you fun. You will write fun. Next, I speak you pup. You write pup. Next, I speak you by. You will write by. Next, I speak you curd. You write curd. Dear student, revise again. Dear student, I speak you bug. You will write bug. Next, I speak you dug. You will write dug. Next, I speak you jug. You will write jug. Next, I speak you mug. You will write mug. Next, I speak you cut. You will write cut. Next, I speak you hut. You will write hut. Next, I speak you nut. You will write nut. I speak you bull. You will write bull. Next, I speak you dull. You will write dull. Next, I speak you full. You will write full. Next, I speak you pull. You will write pull. Next, I speak you bump. You will write bump. Next, I speak you cup. You will write cup. Next, I speak you butt. You will write butt. Next, I speak you sun. You will write sun. Next, I speak you pump. You will write pump. Next I speak you lump, you will write lump. Next I speak you dump, you will write dump. Next I speak you duck, you will write duck. Next I speak you gut, you will write gut. Next I speak you fun, you will write fun. Next I speak you pup, you will write pup. Next I speak you bye, you will write bye. Next I speak you curd, you will write curd. Again, dear student, listen very carefully. Dear student, I speak you bug, dug, jug, mug, cut, hut, nut, bull, dull, full, pull, bum, cup, butt, sun, pump, lump, dump, duck, gut, fun, pup, buy, curd. Okay, dear student, do your work neat and clean. Your fairs English notebook. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.